Hello everyone, I am Engineer Kamran Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel Learners of Civil Engineering. Today I will discuss a numerical related with the data of standard Proctor compaction test. It will indirectly gives us the significance of standard Proctor compaction test in finding different parameters of soil like the maximum dry density, optimum moisture content, void ratio, degree of saturation. So this is the statement of the numerical that the results of a standard Proctor compaction test for a soil having a value of specific gravity of 2.5 are shown in the table. This row gives us different values of the water content and this row gives us different values of the corresponding unit weight in kilonewton per cubic meter. Now, we are supposed to find the maximum water content or the optimum moisture content OMC value and the maximum dry density gamma D maximum value, the void ratio of soil and the degree of saturation capital S of soil. Okay, so let us start solving the numerical. For finding the values of maximum dry density and optimum moisture content, we are supposed to find we are supposed to plot a curve, the name of which is known as a compaction curve. This curve, which is shown on the screen, is known as compaction curve. The x-axis of which contains the values of water content and the y-axis of which contain the values of dry unit weight. Okay, so we are having how many points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. Okay, so all these points will be plotted. Okay, like this is the first point, this is the second point, this is the third, fourth, fifth, and that is the last point. Okay, now the peak point of the curve will be selected, that point which will be the peak of the curve, like this. Okay, it will be shifted on y-axis and it will also be shifted on x-axis. Okay, now the point that it will touch on the x-axis will be the value of the OMC. Okay, like this. And the point that it will touch on the y-axis will be the value of a gamma D maximum. Okay, like this. So this is how we are finding the value of OMC and maximum dry density. First of all, you will take the data of standard Proctor compaction test. You will have to plot a curve which is known as a compaction curve. The x-axis of which will contain the values of moisture content and the y-axis of which will contain the values of dry unit weight. Now, after plotting the curve, the peak of the curve will be selected and it will be projected on x-axis and on y-axis. Okay, now the point that it will touch on the x-axis will be the value of the OMC and the point that it will touch on the y-axis will be the value of gamma D maximum or maximum dry density. Now let us see how we are finding the value of a third parameter which is known as the void ratio. Okay, so for the void ratio we are having this formula that gamma dry is equal to GS into gamma W divided by 1 plus E, where gamma dry is equal to maximum dry unit weight. GS stands for the specific gravity of soil, gamma W stands for the unit weight of soil, and E is the void ratio. Now, putting all the given values in this particular equation, you will have to find the value of specific gravity of soil. The void ratio of soil. So gamma dry is 18.4, GS is 2.5 given in the statement. Gamma W not given in the statement, but it is universal constant that the value of gamma W is equal to 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter. Okay, now rearranging this equation, you will find the value of specific void ratio of soil as E is equal to 0.334. Now the last parameter is the degree of saturation, for which we are having this formula. WC is equal to ES divided by GS. Okay, so now shifting this GS towards the left side of the equation, it will be multiplied with the water content, and the final equation will be like this: ES is equal to GS into W. Now, further rearranging this equation, we will get the equation like this: S is equal to GS into W divided by E. Now the value of GS is 2.5, the value of water content is 0.115, and the value of our ratio we have find out over here, it is 0.334. So now solving this equation, you will get the value of degree of saturation of soil as 86%. So this is how we can easily find different parameters of soil from the given values of Proctor compaction test. Okay, so if you have any questions, kindly comment in the comment section. I will try my best to answer you. And if you are in need of some further information related with this particular numerical, so kindly don't hesitate to ask in the comments box. Kindly like and share this video, subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon so that the notification of any future videos will come towards you on time. Thank you so much, and take a good care of yourself.